All right, so once you have finished up going through the reconciliation process for the month of November, what do I do now? And again, I just want to make sure we're clear on this. So at this point, you've worked a little bit on the deposit slips and check. You filled out one check, 101, I believe, in the month of November. You don't want to do anything with this yet. You're going to submit this when you get done with December. The checkbook register, you're not going to submit that yet because, again, you're going to continue this when you are filling in all the transactions for the month of December. The November reconciliation form, once you've completed that, again, you're going to open that up, My Document, hit submit, you're done with that. Now, moving down to this banking sim project checkbook register interim. What do I want with that? I would like to see what you've done so far in your checkbook register. Again, I've told you up here you're not going to submit it to me, but what you're going to do is you're going to take a snapshot of it and send it to me via PDF. So let me explain what I mean by that. So you're going to go back here to your checkbook register, you're going to open it up, and you'll go up to the top and you click on My Document, and it'll look something like this, okay? So now what do you need to do to comply and take care of this interim project? So I'm going to go back to the directions on this and show you what we're talking about. So this will be scored. Again, I'm looking for certain things along the way. It says, please upload your interim checkbook register PDF. So how do I make a PDF from this? So back in your checkbook register, okay, once you're done, reconciliation, you've got your X's on here, you've added in that 1120 purchase checks transaction that we didn't have in. We want to go back to File, and we want to download, and we're going to make a PDF of this. So once I click on this, it will ask me, okay, what do we want for margins? Everything should be fine here. I don't think we have to change anything. Just make sure you can see it all on one page. Hit export, and it will download a copy of this for you, okay? And again, by default, it'll go to your download folder. You can leave it there, or you can move it out to your desktop, whatever. At that point, you go back to the interim assignment here. Over here on your submissions, you're going to click on Submit, upload the file, go out to your folder where it's at. Again, currently it will show that's back in your downloads folder for me. I'm going to double click on this and just open it up to make sure this is all good. So this is just a picture of everything. You upload that here to me, and that will take care of the checkbook register interim file after the month of November. And that way I can go back and take a look and see what you're doing. Again, if there's a problem, like, we can address it before we get too far into December. So that will take care of this project. Let me know if you have any questions.